I think we'll start while we're waiting for a few others to arrive. I'm Shirley Fenton. I manage the Infonet project, and I'm a co-host of the Smarter Health Seminars. The other co-host is sitting down here at the front, Dominic Covey, the chair in Health Informatics Research. Today we're quite delighted to have with us Martin Sumner-Smith from OpenText. He'll be talking to us about knowledge and collaboration tools in the health industry. Just before we start, I'd like to bring to your attention our next seminar, which will be given by our speaker from Smart Systems for Health Agency. His name is Roger Gerard, and he'll be talking on Ontario's e-health strategy and the role of smart systems in this strategy. He'll be coming here on May 21st, and we would like to see you all come back for that. So without any more, I will turn it over to Dominic to introduce our speaker.
It's interesting. I only heard about Martin about 3 weeks ago, and I was meeting with Neil Wilson from OpenText, and he indicated there's this guy he knew that was doing a lot of work in the area of biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries, and that he might be a really excellent person to put into the seminar series. So we contacted Martin, and he agreed to speak here. Very pleased that he's done that. Martin's currently the Vice President, Pharmaceutical and Life Solutions for OpenText Corporation, where he's developing a global life sciences market for OpenText LiveLink product. He was trained in molecular biology and genetics at Guelph, and did his PhD from the Department of Medical Genetics at the University of Toronto. After he left to postdoctoral research, he went into Alexis Biopharmaceuticals. One of his next major efforts was in 1966. He founded Base4 Incorporated and served as its president and chief executive officer until OpenText acquired it. Base4 pioneered the application of knowledge management technologies to facilitate drug discovery and development. The interesting thing here is many years ago, I did some work with the Food and Drug Administration in the United States, and they were talking about how they were then going to regulate the development of medical devices and also pharmaceuticals. And with time, that process has become quite sophisticated and requires huge amounts of documentation. I was talking to one company that said to submit this particular case of device, it was several 100,000 pages of documentation were required. It seems to me that from what I know about LiveLink, it's an excellent environment for that kind of work, and I know that Martin will give us a very good introduction to the product, especially as it relates to the pharmaceutical industry. So Martin, welcome.